issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, Wabasco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 8 a.m. At 6:59 a.m., a cold front was located along a line extending from Working Point to 11 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Kent Narrows Bridge,
Jesus.
North Point State Park, Magothy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Thomas Point Light, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Towchester Beach, Wharton Point, and Spasudi Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
It was on before.